The Genesis GV80, which debuted for the 2021 model year, is a latecomer to the midsize luxury SUV market. Despite the delay, the GV80 is a success for Hyundai's premium brand. A 14.5-inch touchscreen, heated front seats, satellite radio, and synthetic leather seating surfaces are among the standard amenities on the 2022 GV80.
Welcome to Life in Luxury. We provide you useful information that it will help you to live the luxury. If you are new here, welcome, and consider subscribing.
A third row of seating is available on some trim levels, although it's great for youngsters. The GV80 is powered by a smooth 300 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a 375 horsepower turbo V6 engine. Both engines are powerful, and they're mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. With the turbo 4-cylinder, all-wheel drive is an option instead of rear-wheel drive, while the turbo V6 comes standard. The GV80 feels perfectly at home against strong rivals like the BMW X5, Audi Q7, and Mercedes-Benz GLE class thanks to its head-turning appearance and tastefully equipped inside. In fact, it won the Kelley Blue Book Best Buy Award for midsize luxury SUVs in its first year, receiving the Kelley Blue Book Best Buy Award for 2021 among midsize luxury SUVs. Price: the Genesis GV80 is expected to start at slightly under $50,000 in 2022. The usual turbo 4-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive are included. AWD will set you back around $5,000 more. The optional turbo V6 with standard AWD starts at approximately $60,000, with the top-of-the-line Advanced Plus model with this engine costing around $70,000. This is the only trim level that has power-folding third-row seats. The GV80's appeal is enhanced by an extremely smooth ride, an interior as silent as a tomb, and the luxury class's longest warranty. Those attributes aren't enough to propel it beyond top luxury SUVs like the Mercedes-Benz GLE, Porsche Cayenne, or BMW X5, but the Genesis isn't far behind. It's on a more even playing field with the Lexus RX and Acura MDX, which are also equally priced. However, achieving such a high ranking in a vehicle's first year is quite an achievement. The Genesis GV80 is a luxurious SUV with only a few flaws. It comes dangerously close to posing a threat to major German brands and offers a fresh option to Japanese automakers. We'd take it over the 2021 model in a heartbeat if Genesis can rework the infotainment controller dial. Even if you don't, we're confident you'll be as delighted as we are with the GV80. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And here are the video we handpicked for you to watch next. Life in Luxury, your personal mentor.